Welcome to Viva's network training course. Today our emphasis is on developing the strategic focus. Once the network knows its heart and distinctives, it should use the findings from the situational mapping research to decide upon a defined strategic focus regarding the situation of children in the city that the network wants to change. The focus must take into account political context, findings from the mapping report, and network member specialisms to find an effective set of programs that complement each other to have meaningful impact. Getting this strategic focus right is so important, or else we could end up building something that is so quite distorted and that we did not intend. The change we want to make for children must align with the strength and experience of the network members and address the perceived needs of children we have identified. Similarly, it must resonate with our heart motivations and inner passions. Having visited many networks and considered the different plans that are already in place, we have realized that many networks may have been influenced or advised by NGO leaders. NGOs are single organisations and as such can focus their strategic plans on the programme and the impact on children. As networks, however, we are quite different. Yes, we want to change the lives of children, but we also want to impact the joined up church in our city as the community responders. More significantly, our distinctive is the network platform with an average of 100 local churches and organisations in each city with a heart for children. Therefore, a big part of our strategic plan must be to build and nurture this network platform in order to be able to deliver the impact through its collective action. This is very different from a normal NGO, so please take note. We want to ensure your plans are setting you up to build the right building. In preparation for that, we would invite you to complete the following exercise, creating a statement of strategic direction by answering in just 1 or 2 sentences each of the following questions. What is the current purpose of the network? What do you currently say the network's doing? What are the main foci of the individual network members' work? What change is the network trying to make for children? What change are you trying to make in the church? What is distinctive about your network approach that is different from most of the other agencies in your city? What are you most passionate about in what you do and the way you do it? What's on your heart? You should have done this last month. What are your dreams and your prayerful considerations? What sort of programs over the next few years will deliver the change you want to make? How will you strengthen the network as you deliver the programs? And how will you attract new members and participants to the network and include them in the programs? On the basis of your answers, do you now want to revise your answers to questions 1 and 2A? Initially, as a coordinator, coordination team or steering group, you need to be able to answer these questions for yourself, to have formulated your own thoughts and ideas. At the right time, this process needs to be opened up to the wider participation of the network and the process formalised. Thank you.